Kinoyalam Jongka Mekalaya Tourism Development Forum Mtdf ha kesengi palai kila Kynduh ya Myntri Rangbah kejela konrad ke sangma ban Kyrpad yu ban Jingshngaiñ kenang ba Kipad ba bawan Jngohkai syakeneng kejela Kynduh ha ka Jingshngaiñ. Hamba kren bat kilat patai kubor ba Alan West Kharkongor ula ong ba ka Jingja badang shen ha tengar batru ha ribhoi kalapin syapting ya Kipad ba ban wan kai syakejela. Kumta kadai ke kamram jong ke sarkar jela ban pentikna ba kinawan kai Jingshngaiñ haba kirong ne kilet kai keleng ki benta jong ka jela. Lai thuru ba kila Kynduh ru ya ke sarkar ba kin page ba kin don ki bor pahara ne kita ki turis polis na ke benta kinang lek nawan ki balik sya ki tain dauki sora bat ru sya ki tain am larem. Halor kene ula ong ba Myntri Rangbah ula pliang ya ke jingai jimut jongki bat ong ba kin sabishar benya halor ki te ki jingai jimut ba kum ka senjuk ki ai.
This delegation is being led by the Meghalaya Rural Tourism Forum. We also have a representative from other tourism organizations like the Tour Guide Association of Meghalaya, then the Jngohkai Hills Environment and Tourism Society. Then we have the Tour Operators Association of Meghalaya. We have the Mtdf, Mtdf, and also the traditional heads from the concerned tourism villages. So we have met the CM and we have handed over to him a memorandum that express its concern about the recent incident in Mtdf, where tourists were stopped by an NGO halfway and sent back to either Shillong or Guwahati. So we have condemned the incident and we have urged upon the state government to handle the situation. Not only Mtdf, prior to Mtdf there has been incident in Shillong and Ribhoi that has created a sense of fear for people traveling to the state of Meghalaya. So it is the duty of the state government to ensure that tourists are safe while entering the state of Meghalaya or traveling inside the state of Meghalaya. And for us, in the tourism sector, we need only one thing: law and order has to be maintained, peace and harmony. So it is the duty of the government to ensure that the state is under the situation where peace and harmony prevails, so that tourism can flourish. We have also not just given our concern, but we have also given our suggestions how to improve situation in the tourism sector, especially with regards to the current issue of the transporter. We have urged upon the state government to improve or expand the Jngohkai airport, because we realize that the entire problem is because we are still depending on Guwahati airport. We are happy to see that the High Court has recently issued a statement asking the state government, the central government and the Airport Authority of India to see that mid-sized aircraft like the A320, which can carry 180 passengers, should land at Jngohkai Airport. The CM has stated that even the state government is serious about this issue, and he has assured that they will take up the matter seriously. And of course, there are certain things that the Airport Authority of India has also stated, best known to the government. We also do know about the details, but we have only one thing to say, that if the government of Meghalaya, government of India, and Airport Authority of India works together to ensure that these mid-sized aircraft can land at Jngohkai, and also not connected only to Calcutta but connected to major cities of India.